Right, big boy? My b-boy loves me so much. He ignored me a lot. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Oh, don't do it too much. Oh, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go upstairs. You wanna go upstairs with me, guys? I'm gonna get something for me. Good morning. My eyes is darky. Oh, Misty, be careful. Oh my God, she's sliding everywhere. What am I gonna wear in the birthday? In my friend's birthday. Come here, Roxy. Rox. And where's Misty? Misty, get out. Every time Misty do something and I said, where is Misty? Misty doing something. Then Roxy find her. And you can't come on. Oh, no. You guys can't come here. I'm looking for... I'm in the attic, guys. I'm looking for a coat. A coat. You guys, coat. I hope I won't drop you guys, or else I don't have any more camera. If I drop you, I don't have any more camera. The coat, you said Isabel's coat. Come here. It's probably here already. Come here, let's go up. Anyway, guys, we're going back to the other house. Come here out. We're going back to the other house soon because we're planning to pack some stuff because Tommy's day off tomorrow, so he has an day off, and we're gonna keep packing, going back and forth, and we have to bring the dog back to the house, to the other house, that we can just keep going back and forth. Bringing stuff here. And yeah, so it's time to clear my eyes. And yeah, so I will see you later, guys, in the road. On the road, if I drive, that means I can't vlog. If I don't, I vlog. Okay, let's go, Rox. Roxy, come here, right here. Oh my God, she's kind of afraid. She doesn't want to go. Look, she's like, her tail is like this.
Oh, they didn't want to go.
Huh? No, they don't want to be in the car. That's it. Now, like, go.
Come on.
Come here, let's go. They're very smart.
Nobody let you out.
Yeah, we're going. Come here, where is Misty? Come here, let's go. Don't be scared. Honey. Come here. Come here, I'll carry you. Come here. Come to Mama.
Ready?
Come here. Let's go. Let's go.
Time to go.
They need to be carried, guys, honestly. This is what we deal all the time.
Grandma.
Misty's already shaking. Misty's already shaking.
Time to go home.
Oh, you're shaking already, baby.
Good girls.
Good girls.
Good girls.
What's your butt? Oh, Roxy! Han, I think I have to drive. I had to ask him. I have the camera, I have the bag, laptop bag, I have my wallet, I have my cell phone. Oh God, it's freezing. Honestly, I think this is not enough. The one that I'm wearing right now. Wear the hoodie because it's cold. Do you want me to drive? Can I drive? Do you want me to drive?
Maybe you can drive back.
Okay. Did you close that door? Here we go, guys. Here we go. It's freezing. Don't worry, guys. You will be fine. I will turn the...
Come on, guys. I know you don't want to go. You just gotta do it sometimes.
Time check, guys. It is already 10:46, so we get there like almost 12.
I mean, I guess we could leave them here. I mean, we've left them alone at the other house for a while.
No, they're gonna rip the chair. They're gonna, you know, no, I'm not gonna take that chance.
We do it at the other house. We go away to Andrea's and we leave the whole day.
I know, but they used to in that house. This one is kind of.
Okay. I'm just saying we could.
I know we can
Make
leave
them
them.
happier.
You don't have a sweater, hon? You need to wear a sweater. Oh my god. Hi guys, I'm back and the dogs are just lying down. But right now they really are like behaving, which is good. But for example, if we stop somewhere that is not in the house, they go shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. There is cops, guys. There's police. Police dismiss. Police dismiss. There's no, they don't stop somebody. Oh, they did. They did. It's just small. Yeah. We're planning to stop to Burger King to get some chicken burger because we're kind of hungry and it's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:50 in the afternoon, in the morning. We're looking for Burger King exit, but we don't find any. There's no Burger King exit in this area. We have to be close to our place. There's water right there. Water, water. There's a lot of alligator. A lot of alligator. I'm bored. Hi guys, we are in the Bronx. The crazy Bronxy. It's very freaking crazy here. Like, I know, it's just the traffic. And my dog is now up in here and hopping and popping rocks. Roxy. Rocks. We're stopping.
She got to be little Roxy.
Oh, there's Wendy over there. There's Wendy's. And yeah, so we're gonna get Burger King and I'm gonna stay in the car with my doggy.
Hummer limo.
Where? Oh yeah. It's a square, or not square, it's a rectangle. Not rectangle. It's a limo, it's a different limo. Hummer limo. It's a nice one. Oh nice. It's a nice limo swan. It's a nice limo swan, guys. Limo swan. The Hummer limo, guys. Look at that. Limo. The Bronx. This is Bronx, guys. We live far away from Bronx. Not really far away. In different city.
These people drive like crap.
Yeah. Welcome to New York.
The guys from Florida, so New Yorkers don't drive like crap in the world.
You know, the kids would call. I have one phone talking to the other. I'm like, these kids are in grad school, medical school. You think they could spend months working on this shit?
Excuse me.
I'm like, I'm stuck doing it.
That's what they're hoping, that nobody can spend the time. And they get to keep all that money. That's what they do. It's part of the plan.
The mailman is here. I'm gonna take it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get the mail. Hi, how are you?
Remember?
Yeah.
A lot to that, man. I got some more for you. Let's see. I got a few more for you. Yeah. That was all of it.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, that's oh, you have to scan. So here's the mail.
Ding,
Yep.
What are you doing? She's walking around with a camera in her hand, taking pictures of herself.
I'm taking video.
Yes, I know.
So whatever, hopping. Yeah. Hello, Timothy.
What do you say, Bug? You want to go?
Yes, I'm right.
Where are you going? You walk away from me. You do walk away from me. You walk away from me. Do you miss Mama? Do you miss Mama? Do you miss your Mama? You miss your Mama? I miss you. We're coming back tomorrow. We're coming back tomorrow, my love. Huh? Did you give Hub something?
Well, I gave them dry treats. See if they got dry food today.
There is, I saw. Bless you.
Thank you.
Hello, baby. I miss that. I miss my cat. Look at that, guys. It's inside the box. What are you doing inside the box? What are you doing inside the box? What are you doing? What are you doing, my loves? What are you doing?
Oh, that. Yeah. No,
Yeah. We're coming back tomorrow, and here's Dimplerts. Hi, Dimplet. Hello, David. You're so pretty. You have a pretty face. Yes, you have a pretty face. Hi, Roxy. You wanna go back? I will tie you in the roof. Huh? Do you wanna go back? I will put you in the roof. On top. The two of you. What is it? What is it? Heading back to the house. And we have... It's not really full, but we have a lot of you in the car. We have few here, few already. I don't like when kids are walking in from the school, guys. They're walking alone. Because, you know, in this time, I heard a lot of news about, you know, people following the kids, kidnap or do something with the kids. You know, like bad people do. I see that in, you know, and somewhere here in New York. It's kind of scary. The one kid is very, very smart.
Well, what do you do with the checks?
Andrea is gonna put it tomorrow, drop it, or
Sign anything?
Mom sign it. Time check, it's 3:16 in the afternoon, guys. But you know what? It feels like it's gonna get more darker, quicker. 4 o'clock, it's gonna get dark. 4 o'clock. Look at the tree, guys. They're sad looking, sad looking, sad looking. Tomorrow I'm driving. Right, big boy? My big boy loves me so much. He ignored me a lot. That's how he loves me, guys. If your man ignore you, that means he love you.
The boss tomorrow, I guess. The boss.
I don't vlog much. It's kind of feel weird. I don't have my puppies with me. Hala. The water is ice. The water is ice, and
Just on top.
yeah.
Not thick enough to walk on. Very little.
Yeah, you get drowned because you think it's ice.
And when it's really thick, you can just walk on. People drive cars on it.
If it's really thick, if it's really below zero, right?
Maybe for a while.
Yeah.
To be able to drive a car on it. But you go ice skating. You never ice skated, did you?
Never. I really want to try that in my life, honey.
Very cool.
I never tried
But it
it.
hurt your ankles. You need strong ankles.
Well, my uncle's is really good. I really want to try it. I never been it. We have it in the Philippines in the mall. I don't know. We have it in SM, I guess. But I never really tried it. Okay. The next time I'm going back to the Philippines, I'm going to try it with my friends who knows how to skating. Or if my husband's going with me, we can both do it together. Together. You don't even probably don't know how to do it.
Ice skate?
Yeah, you know how, you don't know.
I don't know how to ice skate.
Are you sure?
I got hockey skates. Probably don't fit me.
Oh, I see that one though. I like it. I see that one. But you did it really hard. It's been a long time you never tried it again, so maybe you forgot.
You head on your phone, you go sliding down ice.
I like that. It's gonna be fun.
Really cold as well.
You think Roxy will enjoy that, right? Ice thing, Misty?
It'll be hard. It'll be like your legs go.
Oh my god, hon, that's the time they're gonna break their leg. That's the time they're gonna break. Because they're gonna split it, like separate the legs again.
They won't like it. They go running on there and all of a sudden they can't stop, they can't move, they can't nothing.
Oh my god, I really wanna see him doing that now. Now I'm gonna put water outside in the cold weather. Now I'm excited to put water outside and in the, you know, because we're upstate, so it's gonna get colder. So when it's ice, I'm just gonna throw rocks in there and Misty. We're here, guys, and I'm going to think what we're gonna have for dinner. And you know what? We're going to have the garlic chicken pasta. And where is my bread? It's right here. Tommy got me bread and forget me the other day. So now, and what else the planning to cook? What else do you want? You want me to cook steak? Yeah. Hold on. Do you want me to make steak? Yeah, I'm gonna make steak because you don't eat meat much. Let me defrost this, guys. Oh, hi guys. We came home from Home Depot. We went to Home Depot and Lowe's. We went over there to find some screw for that chair that we got. And right now, I am making some steak right here. I don't cook it outside because we don't have time to do the charcoal. And it's already 8:21 in the evening and evening. And yeah, that's really it, pancit, guys. I am heating also some pasta. This is the chair, and yeah, so I'm kind of hungry now. Oh, I think I turned it on, that's why. I don't know, because I used that when I was trying to fix the chair. Anyway, guys, I'm going upstairs to wash my face and brush my teeth. Why you shut the light off? Ah, okay. So I will see you later, guys. I'm just gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and use the bathroom. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Where's my love? My love is having a scotch. My love is having a scotch eye. My baby is having a scotch eye. I love my baby so much now. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. It's a baby to me. It's upstairs. EDP stands for emotionally disturbed person. In other words, yes, we're gonna ready to go bed. Go to the bed. Go to the bed. I miss my kids, guys. Did you shut it off? The garage? Okay. I'm gonna lock it and you shut it off, okay? Okay. Turn the light off and close the door. Shut the light off. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that after this. I just check my YouTube, the comments, and the